Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you my top 5 cheapest altcoins which are just under $1. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And friends, please thumbs up the like button for the effort right now. Buy the dip is the best strategy for in dips, and I think you have to buy these coins that are very available in very low prices. That is why I am making this video, and I will tell you my long duration targets, my medium duration targets, and my immediate short term target for these coins. So please thumbs up the like button right now. My first coin is Harmony 1. It is currently trading at $0.19 and it increased 2.6% in just 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 56 and market cap of this token is 1.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 830 million. Circulating supply of this token is 9.2 million. And 24-hour low price of this token is $0.175 and 24-hour high price of this token is $0.2175. Maximum supply of this token is 1.2 billion. And 12 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. In 1 year, this token gives 8,938% profit to its holders. Return on investment is 6,130. Market cap dominance is 0.11%, and all-time high of this token was $0.21 and it was on March 24, 2021, just 18 hours ago. And all-time low of this token was on March 13 and the price was March 13, 2020, and the price was $0.001273, and it was 1 year ago. And this token is available on these exchanges: Binance, Binance US, Huobi Global, HitBTC. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 to 30 seconds. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then please click on this Bybit link and create your account. It will also take only 20 seconds. And this is if you want to collect some small cap coins, then this is the link, Hotbit exchange. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the Harmony US dollar 4-hour Binance chart, and it is currently trading at $0.19. And here you can see it is creating higher highs. Here you can see, and all-time high of this token on this chart is this level, $0.22. Now let me please tell you my first target of this token. Please thumbs up the like button right now for this effort. My first target for this token is this. $0.30 is our first target for the Harmony, and for this it should have to break this upside resistance, which is at $0.22. Once it break this, then it have to go to $0.30. It is our first target. And let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token. And I am very much sure that definitely it have to hit this target. Please stay in this video and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the medium duration target, 0.58, or you can say $0.60, and this is the target. And it can give you 200% gain, and this is it can hit this within 2 or 3 months, or maybe within 4 months. And let me please tell you the target of 2021. It should have to hit this target within 2021, and it is very realistic. It have to hit this target, and I think $1 is very realistic target, and it have to give you a 400% gain, and this is very realistic target. maybe it can hit $1.5 or maybe it can hit $2, but I think this is the very realistic target according to the fib retracement and this technical analysis. This is my target, and it can hit within 6 months or maybe within 6 to 9 months. This is the target. And let me please show you my next coin. Friends, thumbs up the like button right now. My next coin is PundiX, a beautiful token. PundiX is currently at $0.008175 and it increased, and price increases 24.4% in just 24 hours, and market cap of this token is 1.9 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 2.3 billion, and circulating supply of this token is 23 billion, and total market cap circulating supply of this token is 25 billion. And current rank of this token is 51. And let me please show you some price and market stats. In 1 year, this token gives 7,073% to its holder, and all-time high of this token was on May 14, 2028, and the price was 0.0144, and it was almost 3 years ago. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and the price was 0.00007686. And this token is available on these exchanges: Binance, Upbit, DigiFinex, BB Exchange, and BitHub. And if you want to trade on Binance Exchange, and if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And friends, always do your own research before investing in any token or before trading of any token. I will not responsible any of your losses. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please tell you what are the targets according to the technical analysis. Here you can see this is the PundiX Tether 4-hour Binance chart. And here you can see how beautiful parabolic move within in this token, and it is in parabolic mode, and it is currently trading at 0.007794, and it is the resistance level which is at 0.00804, or you can say this is the resistance level 0.00831. Once it breaks this upside resistance, then our target will be, let me please show you. In that case, our first target will be this is the immediate short-term target for this token, 0.0108. This is the first immediate short-term target, and let me please tell you my second immediate short-term target. This is the second immediate short-term target, and it can hit this 0.012. These are two immediate short-term target, and let me please tell you what is the next medium duration targets and what are the next medium duration and long duration target of this token. Let me please tell you. To be very honest, this token should have to hit 0.23 or $0.025 within I think within 3 months or within 2 or 3 months, and this is very realistic target, and I think it have to hit this target very soon, and this is the target, and it have to hit and it have to give you 200% gain, I think so. And my second target will be this zone, and this is also a very realistic target, 0.037, and this target it can be hit within 6 months, I think so. This is very realistic target, I think so, and PundiX should have to hit this. Maybe it will hit $1 or maybe it will hit $0.50, but I think this is very realistic, and maybe it can hit within 3 to 6 months. And if you hold it for the long term, maybe for 1 year or more, then it can hit $1, I think. So in that case, if you hold this if you hold this, it can hit $0.10. Sorry, not $1, 0.10. You can say 10 cents within 1 year to 1.5 year. This is the target. Within 1 year to 1.5 year, 10 cent is the target for the Pundi X. And let me please tell you my third coin. Please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. My third coin is VeChain. Very, very beautiful and strong coin, and very good team, and very huge, having very huge potential. And VeChain is currently at 0.08, and price decreases 5.4% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 18. Market cap of this token is $5.3 billion and $5.3 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.3 billion, and circulating supply of this token is 64 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 0.08. 24-hour high volume of this token is 0.09. And let me please show you some price and market stats. In 1 year, this token gives 2645% profit to its holder. Return on investment is 1734%, and market cap dominance of this token is 0.32, which is very good. All-time high of this token was on March 22 and the price March 22, 2021, just 3 days ago, and the price was 0.09967. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and the price was 0.001917. It was about 1 year ago. And this token is available on Binance, HitBTC, Binance.com, and some important exchange. Please do your own research before investing in this token. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please tell you what are the targets according to the technical analysis. This is the wet chart. This is the wet USD 4-hour chart, and here you can see it is in this rising broadening wedge, and how beautifully it is in this. And currently it is struggling to hold this zone, which is $0.0883, and once it break this, then it have to break $0.10, and after that it will go up. What is our first target? Let me please tell you. Immediate short-term target will be this zone. This will be our first target, $0.10, and our second target will be this zone, and it have to hit this. These are two immediate short-term targets, $0.10 and $0.12. These are two targets, and let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. Please friends, thumbs up the like button for the motivation, and please stay in this video, and please watch complete video, because I am doing this video, I am making this video only for you, and I think you can buy this token in dip, and definitely it will give you maximum gain, and I'm very much sure. Let me please tell you my medium duration target. I think it have to hit, sorry for this. I think within 6 months this token should have to hit $0.42 to $0.50. This is the target, and it can give you 800% profit, sorry, 400% profit. And once it hit this target, and let me please show you, this is the target, $0.45, and it can give you 400% gain within 6 months. And I think within 2021 this token can hit $1. I think $1 is very realistic target in this bull run, and I think it have to hit this target within 2021. I am much sure that 1000% profit if you hold this. But before investing in this token, or before buying, or before trading in this token, please do your own research. This video is just for informational purpose only. I will not responsible any of your losses. And let me please tell you my next coin. My next coin is my favorite token, BitTorrent, BTT. BTT is currently at $0.0032 and it gains 4.3% in just 24 hours. Market rank of this token is 46. Market cap of this token is 2.1 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.7 billion and circulating supply of this token is 65 billion. And total maximum supply of this token is 99 billion. And let me please show you price and market stats. In 1 year, this token gives 1388% profit to its holders. Return on investment is 2625%, very good return on investment. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.13%, and all-time high of this token was on March 20, 2021, just 5 days ago, and the price was 0.003888459. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, just about 1 year ago, and the price was 0.000138814. And this token is available on Binance, OK Exchange, Huobi Global, VCC, Upbit, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you what are the targets according to the technical analysis right now. BTT, BitTorrent. Let me please convert it into 1 hour, and here you can see BTT is currently trading at 0.003188, and this is the resistance level which is at 0.003935, and this is the main support line which is at 0.00278. And now currently it is in this ascending it is in the symmetrical triangle. And let me please tell you, if it break towards upside, in that case what is the target, and if it break towards downside, then I will definitely tell you what are the targets in both conditions. Let me please do this. And first of all, this is the target. This is the target. Once it break towards upside, in that case, this will be our target, $0.45, $0.0045, sorry. And this is our first target, and our second target will be this. These are two targets currently, I think so, and 0.0051, and this is the target. And if unfortunately it break towards the downside, in that case, let me please clone this and let me please tell you what is the target in that case. If it break towards downside, in that case, it have to go to 0.001815. These are the targets. We have to wait for the breakout or breakdown. If breakout, if it break this zone which is at 0.0033, in that case definitely it have to go to 0.0045. And if unfortunately if it breaks $0.0027 or $0.0028, in that case it will go to 0.0018. And let me please tell you my medium duration targets. Target of 6 months to 8 years, 8 months. I think so. I will tell you my most I will try my best to give you most accurate target according to the patterns and according to the 0.01 is my medium duration target. You can say it can hit within 6 months or maybe within 4 months. 3 to 6 months it have to hit $0.01, and within 2021 it can hit this target 0.0165, and it have to give you 450% profit. These are the target and very realistic target for this token. And let me please show you my final token. which is Holo Hot token. Hot token is currently at 0.00741568 and price decreases 6.2% in 24 hours. Rank of this token is 70. Market cap of this token is 1.3 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 270 million, and circulating supply of this token is 177 billion. And let me please tell you my first target. Let me please tell you some price statistics. In 1 year, this token gives 2094% to its holder. Return on investment is 1955%. Market cap dominance is 0.08%. 24-hour all-time high of this token was on March 15, 2021, and just 10 days ago, and the price was 0.00951496. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was 0.00022020. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, Bitro, Dex, Dextrade, and Peribo. And you can find this token on Binance exchange. If you want to buy this token, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this token. But before investing in this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your losses, because this video is just for informational purpose only. That is why I am mentioning it again and again. This is the chart of Hot token, and it is 1 hour USDT Binance chart. All-time high of this token on this chart is 0.0095, and currently it is trading at $0.0073. And what will be our first target? Let me please show you. This horizontal resistance is our first target, and once it breaks this horizontal resistance, in that case, let me please show you my second target. These are immediate short-term target for this token right now. $0.01 and 0.008. These are two targets for this token right now. And let me please show you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. And for this, please thumbs up the like button right now, and please keep supporting me. It is currently in this zone which is in between 0.61 and 0.78 of Fibonacci. And let me please tell you my first target, my medium duration target. Medium duration mean 3 to 6 months, you can say, or 3 to 4 months, minimum 3 months, or maybe 0.025 will be our target. And it will give you 239% gain, and it can hit this target within 3 to 6 months, I think so. And within 2021, I think this token can hit this target, and it is $0.04. And let me please show you, and can give you 450% gain within this year. And this is a very, very realistic target of this token. And friends, please keep supporting me. Please thumbs up the like button right now, and please, friends, support me. Thanks for the watching, and join my Telegram channel, because I regularly update on my Telegram channel, and I post regular charts, regular targets on my Telegram channel. So please join this. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.